Okay, this is pretty much what it looks like. That's the regular low beams. That's the high beams. These are stock headlights that came with the RAV4. Now, I'm going to change them. Next week, I'm putting LEDs in. And they still look a lot brighter on the camera than they really are. So, we'll see what happens. But anyway, that's what I got so far. Okay, now these are LED bulbs, and that is the low beam. And let's see if we can put on the high beams. Wait a minute, they're not always on. There we go. There they are. That's the low beam. That's the high beam. That's absolutely incredible. And how I know, me as a photographer, I have a light meter. And I took my light meter and I checked the stock bulbs that were in this RAV4, and it gave me a reading of 320. And when I put the LEDs in, it gave me a reading of 3200. So there's a dramatic difference in the brightness and the reach of the bulb. And I believe these were, I got a special order from Walmart because I had a gift certificate, and they were $34 for two. So there it is.